In today's video, I will teach you how you can create your own news channel using artificial intelligence and how you can gain a significant number of views, subscribers and earnings through your news channel. Nowadays, the trend of news channel is rapidly growing, especially those established with the help of AI tools. So in just a few simple steps, we will learn how to create a news channel using AI tools. Let's get started with the video. First and foremost, you will need to create a news channel just as I have already done. If you are not sure how to create a YouTube channel, there is a related video on my channel that shows you how to create a faceless channel. In that video, you will find the complete method for setting up your channel. Once you have created your channel, the next step is to head over to ChatGPT. Generate unique channel names for your news channel using ChatGPT. Type a prompt like, please suggest me good news channel name for my YouTube channel. ChatGPT will provide you with a list of suggested names. Choose a short and impactful name that resonates with you. In my case, I found Newsnook to be a great choice, so that's what I will name my channel. After finalizing the name, head back to your channel and proceed to create a description. Go to ChatGPT and provide the basic information about your channel, including what it's about and its purpose. ChatGPT will help you to generate description. Copy the description, paste it onto your channel. Now that you have selected your channel name and written your description, you are all set up to proceed with your news channel. Now let's focus on branding your channel to elevate its appearance. For creating the channel logo and banner, we will head to canva.com. After arriving at canva.com, click on create design. In the search bar, type YouTube logo and select the option that suits your style. Customize the template to your preference, add your channel's name or text, and you have got your logo. Download the logo once you are satisfied. For the YouTube banner, go back to Canva homepage, click on create a design and type YouTube banner. Choose a template related to news channel or type news channel to find relevant option. Customize the chosen template to align your channel's theme. Incorporate the logo you have created earlier. After customizing, download the banner. Now that you have both logo and banner ready, upload them to your channel. Your channel's branding is complete, giving it polished and professional look. This branding will help make your channel more appealing to viewers. Absolutely, preparing trending news content for your news channel is crucial. To source trending news, you can visit Google News. There you will find the latest trending news stories. Click on the news that currently trending, then copy the relevant details, paste the copied content into documents, create your news script. By using trending news from reliable sources, you will ensure that your news content is relevant and up to date, which will engage your audience and keep them informed. Remember to maintain journalistic integrity by properly attributing the source of your news. This will help you build credibility and trust with your viewers. Once you access HeyGen AI, you will be greeted an interface. After arriving there, follow these steps. You will be given the option to sign up using Google account or your email based on your preference. Among the choices available, you will find human-like avatars. You can select an avatar resembling either a male or female as per your choice. You have the freedom to customize the chosen avatar's appearance, including aspects like clothing, hairstyles, and more. This enables you to personalize the avatars according to your liking. Moreover, you can add your own face and attractive feature. Click on choose an avatar to proceed with your decision. Opt for landscape option tailored for long videos such as news broadcast. Following these steps, you will have an AI-generated news anchor ready to represent your news content. This addition introduces an intriguing element to your news channel, enhancing viewers' engagement. Now let's change the white background to green background. Here, click on the green color to choose it and your background will turn green. Alternatively, you can type your news content here, the same content you copied from Google News. You can even upload your audio file if you have already. Anyway, you can paste your news content here. From this point, you can also choose a voice that you prefer. You can also choose from a variety of voice option here. There is a multitude of choices available. After selecting a voice, click on submit. Your video will be ready for download within a few seconds. You can then proceed to download your video. Next, you will be on canva.com. Upon clicking on create a design, you will encounter an interface. In this interface, you will need to search for the videos option. You will need to search for news channel to find video template that is related to your news channel. Just as I have selected this template for my news channel, you can pick a template that suits your needs. Keep in mind that some template may be paid, but you can choose for free ones. Once you have chosen your template, you can download it. Next, you will go to video editing app similar to how I went to CapCut. Here, I will add the video that I downloaded from Canva. Now, in this app, you will click on overlay option. You will add the video that was generated from HeyGen, the one with news content. Afterwards, you will navigate the cutout option. Here, you will remove the green background, adjusting it as needed. Make sure you set the video ratio to 16:9, which is suitable for longer YouTube videos. You can add music too. I downloaded news-related music from the YouTube library. I will add the music and then I will proceed to download the video. Once downloaded the video, you can watch and see how amazing our video has turned out.
July was the hottest month ever recorded on Earth, with abnormally high temperatures recorded on both land and sea. The European Union's Climate Observatory confirmed, warning of dire consequences for the planet. marked by heat waves and fires all around the world. The previous month was 0.33 degrees Celsius, 0.59 degrees Fahrenheit, higher than the record set in July 2019 when the average temperature was 16.63 C, 32 F, it said. It has not been this warm, combining observational records and paleoclimate records, for the last 120,000 years, said Samantha Burgess, Deputy Director of the EU's Copernicus Climate Change Service.
It's fantastic creation. Now you can upload this video to your YouTube channel and potentially gain significant number of views and subscribers. The best part is that you won't need to put too much effort. If you like my assistance, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you are interested, please consider subscribing to my Skillboot AI channel. Feel free to leave comment letting me know what topic you would like to see more videos about. Thank you for watching.